Lesson: Understanding the sectoral approach in U.S. privacy. Understanding the sectoral approach in U.S. privacy is crucial for professionals seeking to navigate the complex landscape of American privacy laws. The U.S. employs a sectoral approach characterized by a patchwork of federal and state laws that regulate privacy based on specific sectors or issues rather than a comprehensive, overarching framework. This approach contrasts with the more uniform privacy regulations seen in other regions, such as the European Union's General Data Protection Regulation. Central to the sectoral approach is the idea that different sectors have distinct privacy needs and challenges. For instance, the Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act specifically addresses healthcare privacy, ensuring that individuals' medical information is protected while allowing for the flow of health information needed to provide high-quality healthcare. The Gramm-Leach-Bliley Act governs financial institutions, requiring them to explain their information-sharing practices to customers and to safeguard sensitive data. Meanwhile, the Children's Online Privacy Protection Act protects the privacy of children under 13 by regulating the collection of personal information online. Professionals working within these sectors must understand the specific requirements and applications of these regulations to ensure compliance. Practical tools and frameworks can aid in this process. For example, a privacy impact assessment is a highly effective tool for identifying and mitigating privacy risks. By systematically analyzing how personal information is collected, used, shared, and maintained, organizations can proactively address potential privacy concerns, ensuring that they remain in compliance with relevant laws. Case studies further illustrate the importance of sector-specific regulations and how organizations can implement them effectively. Consider a healthcare provider implementing HIPAA regulations. They must ensure that electronic health records are protected through encryption and access controls. In a real-world example, a hospital might use role-based access controls to ensure that only authorized personnel can access sensitive patient information, thereby minimizing the risk of data breaches. Moreover, the sectoral approach requires continuous monitoring and adaptation to new challenges and technologies. The rise of digital banking, for instance, has necessitated updates to the GLBA to address the unique privacy issues associated with online financial transactions. Professionals must stay informed about such developments and adjust their practices accordingly. One practical framework for staying up to date is the use of a privacy management program that includes regular training, audits, and system updates. This framework ensures that privacy measures evolve alongside technological advancements and regulatory changes. Statistics underscore the importance of robust privacy practices. According to a 2020 report by IBM, the average cost of a data breach in the healthcare sector was $7.13 million, the highest among all industries. This statistic highlights not only the financial implications of inadequate privacy protections, but also the reputational damage that can result from failing to safeguard personal information. In addition to federal regulations, professionals must also consider state laws, which can impose additional requirements. For example, the California Consumer Privacy Act grants California residents specific rights regarding their personal information, such as the right to know what data is being collected about them and the right to request that their data be deleted. Organizations that do business in California must implement mechanisms to facilitate these rights, such as automated systems for responding to data access and deletion requests. The sectoral approach also presents challenges due to the potential for overlapping or conflicting regulations. For instance, an organization operating in both the healthcare and financial sectors might be subject to both HIPAA and GLBA. In such cases, a comprehensive privacy compliance strategy is essential. A practical approach is to establish a cross-functional privacy team that includes representatives from all relevant departments. This team can ensure that privacy practices are consistent and effective across the organization, reducing the risk of non-compliance and associated penalties. To further enhance proficiency in navigating the sectoral approach, professionals can benefit from using privacy frameworks such as the NIST Privacy Framework. This framework provides a structured methodology for managing privacy risks and enhancing privacy engineering capabilities. By adopting the NIST framework, organizations can align their privacy practices with their business objectives, ensuring that privacy considerations are integrated into the design and operation of their systems. Peer-reviewed research supports the effectiveness of these frameworks. A study published in the Journal of Information Privacy and Security found that organizations that implemented structured privacy frameworks experienced a significant reduction in privacy incidents. This finding underscores the value of using established frameworks to systematically address privacy challenges and improve overall privacy management. In summary, understanding and effectively navigating the sectoral approach in U.S. privacy requires a deep knowledge of specific regulations, practical tools, and adaptable frameworks. By conducting privacy impact assessments, establishing privacy management programs, and utilizing established frameworks like NIST, professionals can address real-world challenges and ensure compliance. Continuous monitoring, cross-functional collaboration, and staying informed about legal and technological developments are essential components of a successful privacy strategy. As the landscape of privacy law continues to evolve, these actionable insights and practical tools will be invaluable for professionals seeking to enhance their proficiency and protect the privacy rights of individuals across various sectors.